Welcome to our YouTube video on Introduction to YouTube Automation. In this video, we will be discussing what YouTube automation is and how it can help create a successful channel. YouTube automation is an innovative technique used by content creators to streamline their video production process, increase viewership, and generate more revenue. It involves using tools and software to automate tasks such as video editing, scheduling, and promotion. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the world of YouTube automation. Let's get started. Creating a faceless YouTube channel has both benefits and drawbacks. On one hand, not showing your face can provide a sense of privacy and anonymity, and can allow viewers to focus solely on the content being presented. On the other hand, it can be difficult to build a personal connection with your audience, and it may be harder to establish trust and credibility without showing your face. However, there are plenty of content ideas that don't require showing your face, such as tutorials, screen recordings, product reviews, and animated videos. Additionally, you can use creative visuals, engaging storytelling, and compelling voiceovers to keep viewers engaged and interested in your content. Starting with YouTube automation can be intimidating, but breaking it down into step-by-step instructions can make the process easier. First, brainstorm content ideas and create a script. Then, record a high-quality voiceover using a microphone or smartphone. After that, edit the footage to include engaging visuals, music, and sound effects. Finally, optimize the video for YouTube by adding titles, descriptions, and tags. It's important to keep in mind the length of the video, as well as the audience and niche you are targeting. With patience and practice, creating high-quality automated videos for your YouTube channel can be an efficient and effective way to engage your audience. A cash cow YouTube channel is one that generates a significant amount of revenue through advertising, sponsorships, and other income streams. To create a cash cow channel, it's important to choose a profitable niche and create content that resonates with your audience. One way to increase revenue is by using YouTube automation tools to streamline the process of creating and uploading videos. This can include using software for keyword research, creating thumbnails, and scheduling uploads. Additionally, collaborating with other YouTubers and creating sponsored content can also boost revenue. It's important to keep in mind that building a successful cash cow channel takes time and effort, and consistency is key in maintaining a steady stream of income. Starting with YouTube automation is a great way to grow your channel and generate revenue. Here is a step-by-step guide to help beginners get started. Select a niche. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and that has a large audience on YouTube. Conduct research. Analyze the competition, research keywords, and develop a content strategy. Create a script. Write a script for your video that is engaging and informative. Record voiceovers. Use a good quality microphone to record your voiceover for the video. Use video editing tools. Edit your video using software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to add special effects, music, and transitions. Add keywords and tags. Optimize your video for SEO by adding relevant keywords and tags. Publish your video. Upload your video to YouTube and share it on social media to get more views. Monitor your analytics. Keep track of your video's performance, using YouTube Analytics to identify areas for improvement and to measure success. By following these steps, you can start your YouTube automation journey and create successful videos that will attract a large audience and generate revenue. As the world becomes increasingly automated, YouTube is no exception. In 2023, creators must stay ahead of the game by incorporating emerging trends and technologies into their YouTube automation strategy. One trend to watch is the use of AI-generated video content, which can be created faster and more efficiently than traditional methods. Another trend is the use of chatbots for audience engagement and customer service. Additionally, creators can explore emerging technologies such as virtual reality and live streaming to create more engaging and immersive content. Staying up to date with these trends and incorporating them into a YouTube automation strategy can help creators grow their audience and generate more revenue in 2023 and beyond. When it comes to YouTube automation, some common mistakes can hinder the success of a channel. One common mistake is relying too heavily on automation without considering the quality of the content being produced. It's important to remember that automation is simply a tool to help streamline the production process. but it's up to the creator to ensure that the content is engaging and valuable to the audience. Another mistake is not understanding the platform's policies and guidelines, which can lead to videos being demonetized or even a channel being shut down. Creators should stay informed on these policies and guidelines to avoid any issues. Lastly, not staying up to date with industry trends and changes can also hinder the success of a channel. Creators should stay informed on emerging technologies, algorithm changes, and shifts in audience behavior to adapt their strategy accordingly. By avoiding these common mistakes and staying informed, creators can achieve better results with YouTube automation. Case studies are a powerful way to showcase real-world examples of how YouTube automation can be used to achieve success. In this segment, various successful case studies can be analyzed and shared with the audience. These case studies can demonstrate how YouTube automation can lead to substantial revenue and growth, and highlight the specific strategies and secrets that the creators use to achieve their success. Additionally, the analysis can provide insights into how YouTube automation can be customized to suit different niches and audiences. By examining different case studies, the audience can gain a deeper understanding of how to apply YouTube automation techniques to their own channels and achieve similar success. The conclusion of the video should summarize the key takeaways and encourage viewers to start implementing the strategies discussed in the video. It's essential to remind the audience that YouTube automation is a long-term game and requires patience and dedication to achieve success. Encourage them to start with small steps and gradually build up their channel. Additionally, encourage viewers to leave comments or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Finally, provide a call to action that directs viewers to additional resources, such as a blog or course, to help them continue their journey with YouTube automation. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. We encourage you to leave any comments or questions you may have in the comment section below. We also invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos and content. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated.